You're on a date. She's laughing, playing with her hair, touching your arm. You think, should I hold her hand, kiss her? You hesitate. The moment passes. Later, she texts saying she didn't feel a spark. Here's the truth. She wanted you to escalate. But 90% of guys either move too fast and seem creepy, or wait too long and seem timid. There's a specific system for knowing exactly when to touch, when to kiss, and how to read her signals perfectly. Physical escalation isn't about making bold moves and hoping for the best. It's about reading her signals and building comfort step by step. Think of it like traffic lights. Green means go, yellow means slow down, red means stop. Your job is to watch for her signals, not push through them. Start with incidental touch, light, natural contact that doesn't broadcast intention. You're walking together. You guide her around a crowd with your hand on her upper back for 2 seconds. You're making a point in conversation. You briefly touch her forearm. These micro-touches test the waters. If she doesn't pull away or tense up, you're good to continue. Watch for indicators of interest. IOIs. Women signal readiness through specific behaviors. Prolonged eye contact beyond 3 seconds, leaning toward you during conversation, touching you back playfully, positioning her body to face you instead of away. These aren't random, they're her brain saying keep going. Use the 2-step forward, 1-step back method. Touch her arm during conversation, then pull back and create space. This builds comfort without overwhelming her. If she re-engages physically, leans back in, maintains proximity, or initiates touch, that's your green light to escalate. Here's the progression. Brief social touch, arm, shoulder, right arrow, extended touch with positive response, hand holding, right arrow, more intimate contact, arm around her. Waist, right arrow, kissing. Each step requires her reciprocation. Skip steps, and you trigger discomfort instead of attraction. First date, coffee shop, 30 minutes in. She's laughing at your stories, playing with her hair. You make a joke. She leans forward, smiling. You lightly touch her forearm for 2 seconds while talking. She doesn't pull away, actually mirrors by touching your arm back when she responds. 10 minutes later, you're both standing to leave. You offer your hand to help her up. She takes it, holds an extra second. Walking to the parking lot, your hand finds her lower back as you guide her around people. She steps closer to you. Those are green lights. Bar setting, second date. Conversation flows for 40 minutes. She's been mirroring your body language, laughing genuinely. You're sitting close, knees almost touching. You put your hand on her knee mid-story. She places her hand on top of yours, squeezes lightly. Later, walking her to her car, you stop and face her. You go for a hug. Her arms wrap around you fully. She holds for 4 seconds instead of 2. You pull back slightly, make eye contact. I really want to kiss you. She nods, smiles. You lean in slowly. She meets you halfway. That's mutual escalation. Biggest misconception. All women want confident, aggressive advances. Wrong. Women want men who read their individual signals and respect boundaries. Push past discomfort, you're creepy. Match her energy and pace, you're attractive. When you're uncertain about kissing, say it confidently. I really want to kiss you right now works when her signals are strong, but you want confirmation. Women rate men higher for asking in ambiguous moments. It's confident leadership, not weakness. Now here's the brain science behind why those tactics work and how to take them further. When you touch her appropriately and she responds positively, both your brains release oxytocin, bonding chemicals that deepen trust and attachment. Simultaneously, her brain produces dopamine, the reward chemical that creates the spark feeling. Gradual, reciprocated touch literally wires your brains to feel connected. And this is why creepy guys fail. They skip the give and take. When you push physical contact without reading her signals, her brain triggers alarm bells instead of attraction. No oxytocin, no dopamine, just discomfort. An advanced technique. Use emotional peaks as your escalation windows. Your brain spikes dopamine during moments of excitement, laughter, or vulnerability. That's when you escalate. Kiss her when she's mid-laugh at your story, not during awkward silence. Hold her hand when she's sharing something meaningful, not randomly. Her brain links your touch with positive emotion, cementing attraction. And another layer, contextual touch. Use your environment as the excuse. You're walking through a crowded bar. You guide her with your hand on her lower back. You're showing her something on your phone. Your shoulders touch as you lean in. Context makes the touch feel natural instead of forced. Her brain doesn't question it because there's a logical reason. N reads subconscious signals beyond the basics. Watch for. She finds excuses to touch you, fixes your collar, brushes something off your shirt. Her pupils dilate when looking at you, an automatic response she can't fake. She mirrors your body language within seconds. She plays with her hair while maintaining eye contact. These signals show her brain is already priming for escalation. N handle hesitation correctly. If she seems uncertain, maybe she smiled but pulled back slightly. Don't push. Create space. No pressure. I'm just enjoying spending time with you. This demonstrates emotional intelligence. Women rate men significantly higher when they respond to hesitation with patience instead of persistence. And third date, dinner transition to a walk by the waterfront. She's been laughing all night, touched your arm multiple times, maintained close proximity. You stop at a scenic overlook, both facing the water. You turn toward her. She mirrors immediately, body fully facing you. Eye contact holds for 4 seconds. You step closer, hand gently on her waist. I've been wanting to do this all night. She bites her lip, nods. You lean in slowly. She tilts her chin up, meeting you halfway. The kiss is soft, mutual. Her hand finds your chest. When you pull back, she's smiling, staying close. That's oxytocin and dopamine working together. And here's what happened. You built comfort over 3 dates, escalated during positive emotional momentum, used verbal confirmation, and gave her space to reciprocate. Her brain rewarded mutual interest with bonding chemicals, not rejection. N bottom line. Physical escalation works when you understand how her brain responds. Master the basics. Add these advanced strategies, and you'll build real attraction that leads to meaningful relationships, not just isolated moments. You now know how to read her signals, escalate step by step, and use touch to build attraction instead of triggering discomfort. On your next date, touch her arm when she's laughing. If she reciprocates, hold her hand while walking. Before kissing, say, "I really want to kiss you," and let her meet you halfway. Comment your biggest escalation question below. Hit like if this makes sense. Subscribe for psychology-backed dating advice every week. Master the signals. Build real attraction. Become the guy she wants.